How to use Instagram Reels for your product selling business. Do you sell products on Instagram and want to grow in traffic and engagement and want to promote your business with Reels? Here's how you can do that. Hi, I'm Lydia from incomingsuccess.com, a website that is meant to help you grow your online business with social media. I post these types of videos every single week, so if you're interested in that, make sure to click the subscribe button below. So the first thing you need to have in order to grow on Instagram with Instagram Reels and to create these specific Reels for your business is to have high quality content. Your type of content in Reels depends on your niche, of course, but the quality of your content shouldn't lack no matter what your niche is. If you want to differentiate from the crowd and the people that film with their phones, I suggest using a DSLR for your Reels and then matching up the sound with the video in an editor before exporting the reel and adding it to Instagram. The second thing, besides quality content, you will need to optimize your business account. Your Reels might get a lot of views, they might be the best quality, but if your Instagram account is not optimized for business, it will not bring real results. There's a lot to say about how to optimize an Instagram account for business properly from top to bottom. So this is why I created this video right here that will tell you everything you need to know about optimizing your Instagram account. The next thing, if you want to grow your Instagram account with Reels for your business, is to follow trends. But it is not as simple as that. This might be a tip you hear very often, but let me give you more insights on exactly how to do that. First, you'll need to go to your Reels page and start watching Reels and start paying attention to the sounds that are trending. So pay attention to the ones that have this arrow next to them. This will mean that that sound is increasing and a lot of people are using it for their Reels, so it is a popular one on the platform. Next, another type of sound that you can consider a popular sound and that you want to use for your product are the ones that show up in your Instagram feed as you're scrolling a lot of the time. So for example, you're scrolling a few times and you hear the same sound like 3 to 5 times. That is a trending sound, it is one that is being used, and it is one that will most likely bring your reel a lot of views. So pick your sounds carefully and save them, as well as save those reels for inspiration. So click on the reel and click save so you can go back to that reel and watch it if you don't remember what the audio is all about. Next, write down the Reels ideas with the audios that you've saved. Think about which products can you feature in those Reels and if you want to show up in the reel as well or not. Film your content carefully and then try to match up the content with the sound in an editor, in a professional editor. And to do that, you might need to save that video reel to have that audio on the computer. So for that, you can use a website such as igram.io to download the reels and the sounds for you to match up the sound. But also have that sound saved in your Instagram app, because when you go and upload the reel in high quality, you will just be able to select the audio and use it for your reel. But it will already be matched up because you've saved that sound. Also, besides all those things, remember to be active and engage with your audience and share every single reel that you post on the platform to your story as well, immediately as you post it, as well as a few days after, again if you want to keep promoting that reel. So there you go, this is how you create high engaging, high performing reels for your business. If you use these tips, let me know how it went for you in the comments below, or you can contact me on Instagram at Lydia.incomingsuccess for any other information you might want, or if you need somebody to manage your Instagram account and create those reels for you. If you've enjoyed this video, also don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such videos every single week. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.